After registering the layers that will be used throughout the development of our project, we will see how to use them and manage them during our work. With the previous class file still open, we will begin our studies. Before we start the layout of the geometries, we must choose the layer that will be used to then select the desired stroke command. Let's create a center line. For this we select from this list in the Layers panel of the Home tab the center layer. Next we activate the command line, which traces lines, and click on a point on the screen. We have enabled this option in the status bar to create orthogonal lines. We finish the line stroke by clicking on another point on the screen, C. Note that the line that was created is with the color and line type that were registered at the time of layer creation. Let us now open the Hashira file present in this class to study the other existing commands in the Layers panel. To turn off a layer, we activate this command and select one of the objects that has the layer to be turned off. See that all objects that were created with this layer have been hidden. Now, to review the objects, we click on this list and click on this icon of the respective layer that was turned off. Another way to turn on the layers that are off is by clicking this command. See that all objects that were hidden are now being displayed. This same procedure can be done with freezing and defrosting commands as well as locking and unlocking layers commands. See. Finally, the isolate a layer command hides or locks layers that were not selected by the command. See. Now, to redisplay the layers that have been hidden by the command, we click on this command. And so we finished our lesson where we saw how to work with the layers that were created and how to manage them throughout the project development. Without the need to open the layer palette seen in the previous class.